everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 529 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm so excited about this product I'm about to try out. This is the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. Look at that packaging, how the highlight just reflects off of her. But I got this in the shade Golden Sands edition. But this, when I was looking it up online for some more information, it comes in 3 different versions. So you've got the Golden Sands edition, a Bronze Sands, and a Pink Sands. It retails for $45, but I got this in my July Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box, which that box alone only cost $25, and I got 4 other full-size great products in it. So if you want to see my unboxing of that, I will have that video linked down below. And I really like Huda Beauty, but I don't have many products from this brand because it is more of an expensive high-end brand, but I'm so excited to play with this. And it comes with very specific shades to do this amazingly sculpted highlighted look, and it has the steps right here on the palette. So I'm going to try and follow those steps today to see how it actually looks. But before I do that, I want to go ahead and swatch all of them. So the first shade here is Fiji, and this is a cream texture. And it's like a golden shade, so pretty. And then you've got Seychelles, and I'm sure I'm not pronouncing that right. More of a champagne shade. You've got the Bronze Tahiti shade, and Zanzibar, which is that rosy shade. So here they are. I'm just going to do a hand swatch as well. They are all beautiful shades. They've got nice reflection, but like I said when I swatched this in my July Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing, I'm not blown away by the swatches because I have tried out a lot of highlighters as part of this trying a new makeup product everyday series, and I've swatched even dollar store highlighters that look just as beautiful as these. But I love how cohesive these are and how much planning went into this specific color combination in this palette. So I'm really excited to see how they all look together. All right, so it says step 1. Prep. Apply Fiji, the cream shade, as a base to smooth skin and amplify light reflecting pearls. Okay, so I'm going to take this golden Fiji shade and apply that to all of the places that I want to have some highlights. So just with my finger, because it is that cream texture, I'm going to dab it onto the high points of my cheek. Yeah, that is really pretty. I'm going in with a light hand because I am going to be layering another color on top of this. But you can see that just using a little bit, you still do get this really pretty natural radiance. All right, let's go ahead and add it to the other cheek. It is blending out nicely too with my finger. Sometimes those cream shades, you have to be careful with that it doesn't lift the makeup underneath. So that's why I didn't want to go in with too much. And I want to be sure to really blend it out in a dabbing motion rather than rubbing at it, because I do have that foundation on underneath. And then I'm going to apply some to my nose, the center of my forehead, and this shade is perfect for like the center of my forehead where I don't put a blinding strip of highlight there. I just kind of want that glow, and like the light is naturally hitting that area to give a little bit of radiance. Same with the bridge of my nose. I don't need that highlight to be blindingly intense, but I do just want to have that cohesive glow. Same with Cupid's bow and my chin. Okay, so there is the shade Fiji all over those high points of my face and down the center so that I have some nice radiant glow. And then step 2, set. Dab, say, chalice. I don't know how to pronounce that. From cheek to temple to set and bring out the pop. Okay, so next, taking the lighter champagne shade, I'm also going to apply this with my finger as well and dab that onto the cheekbones, and that will, let's see, hopefully amplify the highlight there. Yes. The technique of layering cream and powder highlights can definitely create some really beautiful blinding highlight. So going in right now with just a little bit, that looks really pretty and that's subtle, but let's see if I can build it up some more. I also really love the technique of just dabbing with my finger. Yes, it definitely is buildable. I really like this shade. And with that golden underneath, these shades together I think look so complementing on my skin tone, but it would look so beautiful on such a range of skin tones. Here, let me show you the difference. Before this shade, with it, that looks beautiful. Okay, very excited about this so far. I think it reflects the light in such a beautiful way. And this is really easy to apply. I was a little bit intimidated by the idea of layering the highlights, but it's really pretty simple and easy because they really do go so well together. Okay, now I'm actually going to take my Luxie small contour brush that was in my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of July that I just got, and I just posted my unbagging of that yesterday. If you want to see my unbagging of that, I will link that video down below as well. But so I'm going to use this contour brush to take the Bronze Tahiti shade and do a little bit of contouring underneath the cheekbone. And that's what step number 3 is. Looks so pretty. Ooh. I've never used a bronze highlight as a contour, but I think that looks good. I didn't want to look like too much, but I just went in with a little bit and I think that looks nice. Looks very glowy. And I love that both of these powders and that cream shade, they look so smooth on the skin. They're not emphasizing texture. This one blended out nicely. Going with a little bit more. And I'm liking this brush too. I feel like it's a good shape for that contour area. My contour face. Okay, and the last step is to take the Zanzibar Pinky shade as a flush and sweep that across the cheekbones for a healthy glow like a blush shade. And I'm really excited about this step. I love blush and glowiness on the cheeks. Oh, and as you can see, I'm still just using that same contour brush. And I want to make sure that I'm blending all of these shades together. I don't want it to be a strip of like gold, pink, bronze. I want it to look more cohesive. Okay, there is so much gorgeous glow to my face right now. I feel like I am shining so bright. That's not overwhelming and crazy looking. Even though I'm wearing 4 highlights right now, I'm really happy with this finished look. And I love how easy these steps really made it to achieve what seems to me like a kind of advanced makeup skill type of glowy look, but this, I feel like they made it so accessible and simple for anyone to do, and I really appreciate that. I am happy with how all of the colors performed, how they look on the skin. So I'm so happy to have this in my collection, and it's definitely a highlight palette that I want to wear as often as I can, because look at this final result. How could I not want this glowiness every day? But let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this palette and what your thoughts were on it. And I'd also really like to know what your favorite Huda Beauty products are. I've only tried out a few so far, but I've really liked all of them. So I want to try out more. So when I get that gift card or I want to treat myself, I'm going to try and get some more. So please give me some great recommendations, because if I'm going to be spending the money on them, I want them to be really good products. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.